All right, crypto investors and DeFi enthusiasts, welcome to your latest market update. If you're here, you probably want to stay ahead of what truly matters in the crypto world. And you're in the right place for that, because today's update is big. Hey friends, the DeFi Doctor here, Head of Education at Decentralized Masters. After guiding over 1,500 investors to take control of their wealth and navigate this market, I can confidently say what we're seeing right now is unlike anything I've ever witnessed. Bitcoin is breaking records left, right, and center. Entire nations are stockpiling crypto reserves. ETFs are opening the floodgates to institutional money. And that colossal bull run, well, it's officially here. Today, we're cutting through the headlines and breaking down. Number one, Bitcoin's jaw-dropping price movements. Number two, how crypto is finally crossing into the mainstream. And number three, the massive moves being made by nations, institutions, and even Congress. By the end of this video, you won't just know the biggest crypto updates, you'll understand how they can impact your wealth in ways you've never imagined. We're cutting through the noise, showing you where the market is really heading and uncovering how these shifts could redefine your portfolio. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Number one, Bitcoin continues its surge. Bitcoin is currently hovering around 94 to 98,000 as of recording this video. May even be a little bit higher by the time you're watching this video. And let's be real, this isn't just another price point. This is history in the making. We're talking about Bitcoin breaking through barriers most people never thought were possible. It's the kind of momentum that turns heads on Wall Street, shakes up the financial institutions, and even has skeptics scrambling to take a second look. In fact, Bitcoin achieved its largest single month price gain of 26,400 in November alone, closing at a historic high of close to 100,000 and rising over 37%. You heard that right, 37% in 1 month. And here's the crazy part, this might just be the beginning. With institutional money flooding in, ETFs gaining approval, and adoption skyrocketing across the globe, Bitcoin is stepping into an entirely new era. So if you're watching this right now, just imagine where we could be next week, next month, or even next year. Now, let me tell you what else has happened in the space, so you can decide for yourself if Bitcoin will continue to rise or fall. And what I'm about to share next might completely change how you see the market and Bitcoin. Number two, Bitcoin surpasses a huge global asset. This is easily one of the most groundbreaking milestones in Bitcoin's history. Bitcoin has officially surpassed silver in market capitalization, becoming the 7th largest asset in the world. Yes, you heard that right. For centuries, silver has been one of the cornerstones of global wealth. And now, Bitcoin, a digital currency born just over a decade ago, has overtaken it. Now here's the breakdown. Silver's market cap, $1.73 trillion. Bitcoin's market cap, $1.81 trillion. This is a massive moment for Bitcoin. We're not just seeing it compete with traditional assets anymore, it's surpassing them. And with ETFs gaining approval and institutional investors pouring billions into the space, Bitcoin's climb isn't just slowing down anytime soon. But this isn't just about the numbers, it's about what this signifies. The rise of a digital-first financial system. Number three, mass adoption is here. Now let's talk about adoption, because it's happening at a speed we've never seen before. Take Robert F. Kennedy Jr. for example. He recently tweeted about how Bitcoin represents financial freedom in a way traditional systems simply can't. And it's not just talk. Michael Saylor, founder of MicroStrategy, has doubled down again. He just purchased an additional $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. This brings his total holdings to over 402,000 Bitcoin. That's well over $10 billion in profit and counting. And it's not just individuals or corporations jumping in. Countries are getting involved too. The US recently announced plans to build a national Bitcoin reserve. As part of this, they're set to purchase an additional $90 billion worth of Bitcoin to fill it. And they're not the only ones. Brazil and Poland are following suit. When entire nations start stockpiling Bitcoin, It's no longer just a cryptocurrency, it's a global asset class. Mass adoption is here, and it's only gaining steam. And the next piece of news takes it to a whole new level. Number 4, WisdomTree officially files for an XRP ETF. Big news in the crypto world, WisdomTree, an asset manager overseeing more than $100 billion in client assets, has officially filed to launch an XRP ETF. Now, here's why this is massive news for us. An ETF, or exchange traded fund, is like a bridge between regular investors and crypto. It lets people invest in assets like XRP without having to buy, store, or manage the crypto themselves. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges, just like Apple and Tesla shares, making it easier and safer for beginners and institutional investors alike to get involved without directly owning the crypto itself. Filing for an XRP ETF sends a clear message. XRP is now being treated as a legitimate, recognized asset. For years, there was uncertainty about its status due to lawsuits and debates over its classification. But with this move, it's clear that XRP is being accepted as a serious player in the financial world. Second, an XRP ETF will bring in mass adoption. Most people aren't comfortable navigating crypto wallets, exchanges, or the risks involved with storing digital assets. With an ETF, anyone with a stock trading app can invest in XRP with just a few clicks. This opens up the doors to millions of new investors, including those who have never considered crypto before. The crypto space is maturing. While this might seem like another piece of news, it's a step towards making crypto, and XRP in particular, accessible to everyone, from Wall Street to Main Street. Well, there you have it. We're witnessing what could be a once-in-a-generation moment for the crypto market. Bitcoin's record-breaking price movements, strategic reserves, mass adoption, XRP ETFs, and so much more. This isn't just a temporary price spike. It's a massive shift in how the world views digital assets. The crypto market is well and truly crossing into the mainstream and paving the way for what could be the most substantial financial revolution in modern history. If there was ever a moment to stay informed and strategically positioned, this is it. That is why we've created a free training designed to guide you through the essential strategies in DeFi. No fluff, no empty promises, just the real approach we've used to become our own bank and take full advantage of historic bull runs. And with what could be the biggest bull run in history just beginning, now might be the best time to check out this free training. We'll show you how to enter the market safely, shield your investments, and potentially secure market-beating returns during this inevitable bull run. We'll guide you step by step. Just watch the free training with a notepad ready. No need to be a crypto expert. Click the link in the description and you'll be able to start watching almost instantly. Now, with that being said, I'll leave you with just one thought. Make sure you're on the right side of history. This is a once-in-a-lifetime market we're seeing. Will you take advantage of it? I certainly hope so. Click the link below and get access to that free training. Take care, my friends. Cheers.